I need my referral so I can book the appointment.
Don't all speak at once. Does anybody want a cat? Please.
Oliver. Jojo. Meow.
What?
Behind you.
Oh my god! You gotta be kidding me!
Safada.
Oh, Percy.
Oh.
Two. Ow. To you too.
Did you just do that by himself?
Yep.
Go over everything for the wedding and just...
Overeating, I know that. Look at...
That's right.
You can't get in the shower.
Just a bit too light.
What was that shit? Girlfriend and I are gonna get dressed.
Let's see your handstand. Damn straight.
คือหงุดหงิดกระดิกหางแต่ว่ายังเอามือ
I said no.
I'm sorry, go back.
Run.
Do this to her for like 10 minutes.
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god. Follow
ball. That's not a ball. That.
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
You like it? What? Did you just pull your fist? Tato.
Well, that's not you.
Come on. Princess!
To see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool. And I just thought it was a
See, it's all right. It's all good.
Or someone else is gonna pray.
You know you can't be. you know. Stop.
What a good boy! Oh shit!
Hello? No! No!
Oh my god!
Finally found something to keep my cat off the counter.
Girlfriend and I are gonna get dressed.
Oh, Maya.
Oh. Blue! No!
Good job.
It's pistachio ice cream. To sit like that.
Bagel, no! Bagel! Bagels!
Oh! Oh, it's just your demise.
Bro, stop! Why are you doing that?
Oh, Lola.
I love you more than that maiden. Be suspicious, don't be suspicious.
She was so intelligent.
Bagel, no! Bagel!
Look at my son. Pride is not. I love you.
Hey, Spicy.
People, it would scare them if they knew how smart she is.
Do you have any words of wisdom today? Mm-hmm. Okay. Wow. I am, thank you.
아이고, 아이고.
Krieger. Why are you so bad?
You keep biting me like that, I will not play with you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Continue selling its oil and gas.